Nag-iwan ng ngiti at galak sa mga guro at mag-aaral ng madrasa ang isinagawang turnover ceremony ng dalawang silid-aralan sa Maguindanao del Norte. Yan ang balitang hatid ni Pacho Woman Marie Cris Algabre.
Nagsagawa ng turnover ceremony ng dalawang silid-aralan ang mga autoridad ng Regional Mobile Force Battalion 14A sa Barangay Bayanga Norte, Maguindanao del Norte noong ika-20 ng Marso taong kasalukuyan. Pinangunahan ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Argel N. Anchita, Force Commander Mobile Force Battalion 1 ang nasabing aktibidad katuwang ang mga tauhan ng Marine Battalion Landing Team 2, mga guro at ibang opisyalis ng naturang paaralan. Ibinida sa aktibidad na ito ang paghahandog ng dalawang silid-aralan sa mga estudyante ng madrasa. Kasama sa nasabing aktibidad ang pamamahagi ng mga school supplies, food packs, bigas, prayer mat at solar light. Bakat naman sa mga mukha ng mga estudyante ang kasiyahan bunga ng kanilang mga natanggap.
I'm Police Lieutenant Colonel Ignacio B. Mauricio Jr., the Deputy Force Commander of Army B14A. I'm representing the Force Commander, Police Lieutenant Colonel Argel N. Anchita. Actually, we are here in Matanog to hand over this classroom. It was chosen by the unit based on the assessment conducted by the PCR. We are doing this as one of the best practice of Army B14-A because as we all know, Maguindanao area has been under war before, so we want to bring to the student, to the people of Maguindanao, the PNP, to bring the PNP closer. And one of the purpose why we are refurbishing or repairing madrasa, in order for the children to have their school and they will be molded correctly and they will be inspired by giving them a conducive room for learning. And one way of our activity in preventing countering violent extremism is this kind of project, because we want to show to them that the government or the Philippine National Police is not their enemy but their ally, so that we could monitor also what is being taught in madrasa by having a collaboration with the ustads, with the students in madrasa. In that manner, we could safeguard our children, which is said by our national hero, that ang kabataan ng pag-asa ng bayan. So in order to safeguard the future of the Philippines, we must safeguard the children. And one way of safeguarding children is by visiting them in school, by providing them tools for learning like this.
Taos-puso naman ang pasasalamat ng mga guro at mag-aaral ng naturang paaralan dahil sa malaking tulong na handog ng ating mga kapulisan.
Salamat po sa pulis sa pagbibigay ng notebook at bag.
Patuloy ang pambansang pulisya ng Pilipinas katuwang ang iba pang ahensya ng gobyerno sa pagpapatupad ng ganitong mga aktibidad para maipadama sa mga mamamayan ang tunay na serbisyong publiko. Mula rito sa Barangay Bayanga Norte, Maguindanao del Norte, ako ang inyong PNN correspondent, Patrol Woman Marie Cris Algabre, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.